Hi, I'm Tanner. This is Yoda Overland. I'm going to be showing you today how I mounted these traction boards to my MOLLE panels from Billy Bars. This is a DIY build just from a local hardware store. Only spent 11 bucks and they're super sturdy, not going anywhere. So stay tuned. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. Alright, we're going to be mounting these recovery boards onto my MOLLE panels from Billy Bars. We're going to do a DIY kit with these pieces of hardware I got just from your local hardware store like Lowe's. So this is a 4-inch 5/16 bolt. These are all 5/16. This is a 5/16 little knob. We got these little nuts and crush washers and all these big washers. So we're gonna get going with this. Don't you worry, I'm gonna be putting links below for all these little pieces of hardware. So if you're interested in that, just go click those links below. Also, I am planning on putting lock on my traction boards through the MOLLE panels, just so people can't walk off and take them. So here we go. We got this one on here. So we have the bolt coming through with the big washer, and a big washer on this side with the crush washer, and then the nut, and then we have the 4-inch of that bolt still there. My original plan was to mount these through the existing hole, but once I put those little knobs on right there, it just wasn't tight enough and they're kind of flapping all over the place. So what I ended up doing was drilling a hole right here in the center of the boards, right on this second indent in from the end on each side. So I drilled this hole and then we drilled this hole here. So then I pushed it through on this end and then figured where this one needed to go to fit into this indent. So it was right over here. So then I already had this hole pre-drilled. So then I just found over here which one I needed to mount it in. And then we get our little knobs here. And you can see these are nice and secure. And these guys aren't getting anywhere. And now I should be able to flip my tent open, still be able to open that, and then I can still get in for gas. So pretty simple. Just took a little thought process after my original one didn't work. So then we went for drilling some holes, but still looks super clean. All right, now these traction boards are all mounted up. Super clean look. They're in there nice and tight. You can see the back of the boards are up against the MOLLE panel, so they're really secure. That's it for this one. If this was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you have any thoughts or ways you might improve this, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear it.